看这个好夸张。Hey, how's it going?
You grab lunch already?
Yeah, I got some food. Hi, nice to meet you.
An hour and a half late. Hey guys, look at this guy. 1 hour and a half late. Finally. I know. Sorry I'm late. Oh my god.
今天呢，我们要跟 Andy 和他的一帮朋友们去露营。大概这一次活动有30人一起在 Portland 路上露营。
But then I started game 3 and that's a 6. But then the prize.
I have 3 quarters. I don't have mud terrain, son.
Yeah, wow.
Plus a wild card. We had some fish and chips.
Nice.
Nice. Most in the winter.
And they have good sushi there. Jinju Sushi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Right on. I'm excited. Waiting on
Are you from
phone?
around here?
Huh?
Are you from
Yeah, very close.
Tell my fans where are we going?
So we are going to be camping for the weekend.
Right? Yeah, 2 days. Do you have ice cream
No, I just.
in your truck?
You want one?
Yeah.
I'm good. I have.
want ice cream.
What kind of flavor do you have?
Coconut, mango, and honeydew.
Mango, please.
Mango.
Thank you. How much is it? How much should I pay you?
First one is free.
Okay, thank you.
There you go.
Ooh, nice. Especially in the summer. 好了 ，Andy 跟他们的朋友们已经汇合完毕，我们现在准备出发。
这一次是我们和朋友一起参加北美 Overland 爱好者们的越野露营活动。看到大家的车的时候，我突然觉得很感动，因为每一辆改装4x4都是一件独一无二的艺术品，每一个配件装备都承载着车主对 Overland 自由、冒险、探索未知的热爱和向往。这次活动也让我意识到，此刻原来世界上有这么多人都在路上。
我们现在已经进入了荒野了。我第一次在加拿大过夏天嘛，我也不知道这边的蚊虫攻击竟然这么可怕，而且由于太热了，我穿的是短裤，再加上拖鞋，所以现在蚊子全都围着我转，哇，太烦了。我们现在所有人都在喷这个东西。哇哦！
And they can't even get me. So fucking.
Yeah.
Peter, you have to move forward a bit, please. You want me to go, you're saying? Hold on, I'm gonna take the drone again. Wait for me to take the drone back. You want me to wait? Yeah, we're already here. Maybe we should. Oh, I gotta get some better ones. They're not too bad. Yo, let me know if I should stop and fly the drone. Cool.
Save the guy. We still need him. Don't shoot him.
Alright, how are you?
Brett.
Alright, nice to meet you. Andy.
Hi, Andy. Come there and help yourself. Yeah, lots of spots. So go ahead.
Alright.
Yep. One of those. Nice.
I got them at Canadian Tire.
Canadian Tire. Okay.
好了，现在我们差不多已经停好车了，set up 好了，然后这里简直就是蚊虫的重灾区，这个荒野深处，所以在录的时候我得一直这么拍打蚊子，我甚至 都不能睁开我的眼睛，然后还有一些蚊子会跑到我的嘴里去。啊！
这个
我现
驱蚊利器。
我们出发前买了一个这个东西卖20刀，然后这个是什么呢？我现在给它拆开看，这是一个假蜻蜓。为什么是假蜻蜓呢？其他的所有的驱蚊的东西都是把蚊子给杀死，但这个是把蚊子给吓跑。这个东西，OK， 看到了吗？是一只绿蜻蜓和一只黄蜻蜓。I'm testing the fake dragonfly, right? Let's scare the flies. Oh, it works!
Really?
It works, yeah!
Oh.
I can open my mouth and my eyes. See?
All right, let's set up.
No fly can attack me. Oh! I feel safe.
I'm gonna set up. I'm gonna open the tent and all that stuff because it's.
Okay.
For some reason, it works. No, actually, no.
It's in the beginning.
Yeah.
They realize it's fake.
Yeah. I realize it's fake.
Let's just put it here. 太他妈愚蠢了。OK。
谁敢攻击我们？我们可是有蜻蜓的人。蜻蜓专吃蚊子，蚊子天敌。
Yeah. I got a.
Second one.
这个就是假的，因为我刚刚看到了好多蚊子，直接飞到了他的这个身上面，所以智商税。
摆的时候就告诉你是智商税。
大冤种竟然是自己。哦，终于找到了最好的驱赶蚊虫的方法，烟把蚊子都熏走了。我感觉我活过来了，终于可以张开嘴说话，然后把眼睛也睁开了。
Yeah, I need a big one. Just like do whatever you want to do, and then. Yeah, I didn't think that much.
The hamburger is ready? Yes. And it smells so good. Thank you.
Do you want it warm it up? The bread? Warmer? Oh, do you want cheese?
No cheese.
Okay.
How's it? Really? Very good. I'm gonna use my pliers.
Wow, he's so tough.
We're deleting this one, right?
Yummy.
Really well done, though.
Yeah.
Is that propane?
Yeah. Korean barbecue.
No, it's not.
Guys, grab some meat.
Yeah, you love that?
Yeah, of course.
I'll have one.
Oh, if that's the case, I can help you out. There you go. Feel free, man. Feel free.
Nice.
So I'm doing you a favor.
Where did you get these?
Costco.
Oh, the cone?
Yeah.
Metro?
Ooh, that's good.
nice.
Steak is good.
Oh, yeah, look at. Oh, nice. So we're gonna leave that for our.
我们现在已经吃完饭，然后吃了甜点。我吃了一个鸡肉汉堡、牛肉、羊排，然后韩国炸酱面、红豆饼，再加上牛排，还有 ice cream 冰棒、甜筒。这是我在荒野 camping 吃过最丰盛的一餐，没有之一。看现在大家还在分东西。
They're
I want you guys to come camping with us more. Right? Oh, the watercross. Watercross was, yeah. The watercross. It was
That's pretty sweet.
It's ridiculous. Holy shit.
我们现在已经吃完饭，还跟所有人 say hi 了一遍，然后所有人都特别友好。
Oh, yeah.
You guys do like we are cooking. I love this.
It's so bright.
I need one of these. And like
We don't wash outside.
because of airsoft.
Mommy will do.
And they like roll up. Do it long enough.
现在所有人都知道了我们这边来，他们都特别惊讶于 Andy 买的这个灯，因为 Andy 买这个灯特别亮，所以所有人都围过来。
Woo!
等1分钟。早上好啊，现在7点钟。我们现在把睡袋都收起来，要把帐篷合上，因为待会儿我们要去越野。我昨天晚上睡觉都是戴着耳塞睡的。哇，蚊子又出现了！春天来了，所有动物都醒了，都在一起发出声音。然后 Andy 5点钟就醒了，因为我们都没有预料到昼夜温差会这么大。我估计昨天晚上可能只有1、2度。好啦，现在我们去看一看他们都在做什么早餐。
I'm cooking some turkey sausages, some toast, and then occasionally.
天哪，我真的没有想到他们居然把你给带出来。We can't live without rice, right?
I know. It's a must.
Leave this valve open and it'll be a constant shower stream. Or you just open this one and then you just spray, wash the dishes, wash your hands.
It's my toy. Do not touch it.
If you're tall enough, you could cook off of it.
一大早上又接到了投喂。我真的是碳水女孩，我要是没有吃米饭，我吃的再多都觉得很空虚。
Okay, so you guys, today we're just going to be like on the gravel road. There's a little bit of fun stuff, but nothing serious. And then we're going to jump back on the road and we're going to head down and we're going to go to what's called the road to the beach. And BJ tells us that the beach isn't so much of a beach right now because the water's really high, but at least you all know how to get there when we get there, right? So if you can pin it in, then that'll be another cool spot for you all. It's entirely up to you. We're not responsible for anything that crazy shit that all you crazy people do, okay? So you're on your own for that, okay? So use your best judgment. And that's right, exactly. I hope somebody recorded that. Oh, perfect, thank you. If any...
好了，现在我们所有人都已经准备好，我们就出发去越野。 说今天的天气真的太给力了，穿越在丛林里面，然后外面窗外全都是特别凉爽的风。
在越野的路上，我们发现了前方有一个不像自然形成的河堤，把整条路都挡住了。后来他们告诉我，这是小动物搭建的，是河狸收集了树枝、木棍、泥巴、石头等材料搭建的栖息地。 从这么宽、用料这么扎实的河堤可以看出，这个地方是真的很荒，真的很长时间没有人经过了。河狸，答应我，下次不要再把家建在路中央了。
Watch out for the drop.
Yeah.
Get it, bird. That looks pretty sweet.
Yeah, we did it.
Yay!
Good line. Good line.
我们现在已经在这条路上走了1个半小时了，哇，还挺累的。这条路上主要都是石头，然后经历一些 beaver 搭的那个像河堤一样的东西，然后我们得人工把它拆掉。我的视频拍不出来，就是有些坡是非常陡的，看起来非常倾斜，你们可能在我的视频里面看不出来。现在得休息一下。好了，我们现在大部队到了一个湖边，然后我们准备在这里吃中餐。
大家感受一下，有多少蚊子？
今天总算是领略到加拿大这个蚊子数量庞大是多灾难的一件事情。就是我随手在空中这么一抓，你信不信都能抓到一只。所以跟朋友一起出来露营真的好幸福，永远不用担心你没有吃的。好啦，他们给我做好了这个乌冬面和韩国烤肉，在湖边一起吃。